Hi, David here with Tough Tractors. This is an Iseki Landhope 140. It's a four-wheel drive, three-cylinder diesel, 19 horsepower. It comes with the factory installed tiller. Nice tractor, nice clean, tires good shape. Comes with the original seat. It's got 3-speed PTO. It's got a high and low and 3 speeds, so it's got 6 speeds forward. On and off four-wheel drive, locking differential, really low hours, 556 hours, really nice shape. It has a brand new loader on it, 4-foot bucket. I know the headlights work, doesn't blow smoke, no oil leaks. Easy to get on and off, nothing to climb over. Look at that, you just go, sit down, no problem. Let's go ahead and start it up. You see, really well taken care of. Another thing too, people always ask, one of the biggest things that I get asked when people look at these tractors, where do I get parts? You can get parts from, there's one place online that has every single part for the Isekis and the Yanmars. Mitsubishi, there's 2 different places that you can get the parts for it, but I've never had an issue getting anything. Any nuts, bolts, body parts, belts, filters. I've never really looked to have a starter, buy a new starter, because you can just take your starter to I'm sure a local place in town, and they'll rebuild it for you for a lot cheaper than buying a new starter. But just about any part that you need, you can get online. If they'd give me a discount, I would tell you who they are, but they won't give me a discount for advertising. So anyhow, but this is an Iseki Landhope 140, 4-wheel drive, 3-cylinder diesel. This does come with the tiller. It's tiller made just for this tractor. It goes on and off in about 2 minutes. Really easy to get on and off. Low hours. We also have used tillers. We have brand new box scrapers, brand new post hole diggers, brand new brush hogs, 4-foot brush hogs. So if you want to see this tractor, any of the other tractors we have, you can go to our website at ToughTractors.com, ToughTractors.com.